Now, today I received almost everything that I need for making my December. I mean, also Christmas gift. I think I only have few little gift for the stocking that I have left, and I will be able to relax of everything. But between all that I was getting also on my mail, I got 2 orders and something else, but let me show you first. This order is from the company that I ordered before. Isoboba. Isoboba, I'm not sure. It comes from Poland, so if you order from her, just to let you know, it takes a little time to arrive, almost a month. So if you're planning to use these kind of stickers for some special decoration, you have to think that it can take until almost a month to arrive. So let's see. This is the description of what you got, the receipt. We will cut this because I learned that it's not easy to open. The presentation is amazing. I love how she do the boxing part. Oh, this one will come out. Oh, it came out. Look at that, stickers and everything. This is what we have. We have a thank you with a barcode, another bookmark. They're so cute. The other one is pretty cute too. And I got an extra sticker as a gift. That's adorable. Leave me wild 1 more year. That's so cute. And instead of the moon, they have apples. I like that. And this is what I got. This is a sticker book. It's like the collection I mentioned before, that you can get the complete collection or just in pieces. And this is I had that one single, but I decided to go for the complete collection. Let's see. So this one has the break the rules, moments to think, and you saw that before, but this is the second part that I didn't order that time, and has the days of the month that you can use for the year. It has some decoration like that you can use in your complete setup for the monthly. This is very autumn style. It has a pumpkin. Concrete jungle. I think this is in the big city life or New York, something like that. And for the monthly has colors, very nice. I think it's a very wintry kind of colors. It has the city, New York, high heels, of course, coffee, and the newspaper, time. The color of the nature, that is really cute. I think this is also perfect for autumn. And the colors, yeah, look at that. That's a nice view, nice sticker that you can use for. And the colors, ooh, they are like leaves. Are they? Yep, they are like leaves. I don't know. Let me see if I can focus. It has the shape of leaves. I think you only will be able to see that when it's put on the paper. But very pretty. And oh, this is a very wintry one. Keep calm and carry on. I love that. The colors are so cute. Maybe January. Yeah, I think January will be a perfect one for these. Oh, look at that. Yeah, and the scene, the knitting. Here we have another kind of wintry transition between winter and fall, maybe, because the colors, but no, winter. Oh, this is January 2025. That's the January one. So cute. What do we have here? Another winter. Reach for the stars. And moose. And these are like snowflakes or snowballs. Something like, it looks kind of like that. Here we have another that looks between the beginning of a spring. Bloom, new beginnings. And yes, I think it's very spring. Cute colors. These are still a little cold, but now you see a little green too. Faraway Place. I think this on the website has the name of Princess of Wales. Oh, look at that, the castle. I think I can use this in like March with all the green and everything. This is so cute. I actually bought this one separate. This is Anne of the Green Gables in the website. And look at that. It's not cute. I love it. That one is totally summer. Pretty, pretty. Oh yes, summery. Very summery. And I think those are like little rocks. Or just nothing, I don't know. It has also arrows and some kind of sticky thing there with the sign. Another spring summer, my safe space. Maybe this would be perfect for February with the pink colors, you know. Oh, so cute. And I think this is Scottish Harmony. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I really love it. This one has like watches, I think, and more dots. And that is all. And I say drink tea in this part. Okay, so these are home from home, and the price of this one, I think, let's see, I hope you can buy this in Black Friday. It was with shipping and everything, and I have a discount because it was a shop discount of $6. I don't remember what was the reason, but it finished being $58.27. So that's number one. It came from Poland, so like I said, just be aware of that. And this one came from France. This is another company, Mary Martinez. It comes from Schilsleitheim, France. It's almost German. And I the one that made a mistake here and kind of pulled by accident, trying to see if it was no information. Let me see. Okay, well, it kept in the same system, you know, very cute presentation. And there is an Instagram, is Marines, and this is what we got. This is a freebie. It's a goodies freebie. Thanks for using our handmade stickers. They are, by the way, washi tape stickers. Then I got these, very Christmassy. This is perfect for fall, Christmassy, both, and Christmassy. Very cute stickers. And these are the ones that I got. Oh, let me see, these are a little bigger. I love this one. It has also the knitting, you know, I love knitting, and it has different kind of stickers that you can use. The background You can also cut the background and use too. That's cute. This one is very wintry and more knitting sweaters. Oh, very pretty. Then here, tea, books, very wintry style. It has a little touch of the Christmas, but it's more related to winter. This was fall, and I maybe can use some of them or for the next year, but I love those. And this company has stickers that were going out of the market, I think, so I wanted to make sure to get the, look at that, more knitting. Oh, spring, oh no, autumn garden. And it has more knitting, it has a sweater. Oh, look at that. This is perfect for gardening, and I like that it's here you have with the wheelbarrow, getting, planting, seeds, everything, perfect for gardening time. I would say is really cute. Do I have two there? And all of them is washi, by the way. Oh, look at that. That's totally spring. The colors are so happy, so cute, inspiring. I like the colors that I have here. I really want to have a bench in the corner of my backyard, but I still need to get my tree and everything set. Oh, I love it. You know, I really want that typewriter, but at the same time I think that it will finish in some corner without so much use. Here we have, oh, these are lavenders, so pretty. Love lavender so much. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you know, it can be a really nice option also for a spring setting, you know. And these ones goes really close to, let me see, no, maybe not. It has a little similar to that, but the colors can match, you know, can go together if you're doing a setting for this. Welcome, more gardening stuff. And my dog is making noises there. Oh, look at that. I think they have relation. I think that's what I saw in some of those. Let me see. I don't know if it's, yeah, I think for some reason they kind of go together. Anyway, this is perfect to use too when it's a Earth Day, reading books. This is perfect for bookish stuff, and I think that was the name. More bookish. Oh, look at here. A lot of the people that loves to read, loves to knit, loves to do all these kind of things. More bookish ones with corners and everything to sit and enjoy. Oh, look, these colors. I love colors like this. More books, tea, of course, the time, writing, the chair. Hi, Frosty, what you doing? And here we have, this is more like close to the winter time with green and everything. It's a little different to have more green than other colors, but I like it. This was at the desk, yeah, they put the name there, and all the things that sometimes you're using while you are doing crafting or doing your planner. This was something about crafting, I think the name, and it has sewing, embroidery, knitting, everything. God, I love to do so many things. And that was also crafting, and you have painting with aquarels. You have here, like if you are doing your planner. Cute, really cute. So all this was from Marianne So. I think that's, or Marianne's. I don't know really how to say the name there. And it comes with all these goodies. Perfect. So those are the last stickers that I got. I will put the link of the company so you can enjoy to maybe order some of the stickers for Black Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.